Today we are looking at the next edition. Last time we put on the spare tire rack. Today we have another product we're going to be putting on the Teryx. Let me switch the view. So we have our scissor jack. I can't really change the tire, and the spare tire is no good without some kind of a jack. This one is made by AGM. It's specifically for UTVs. Anyways, we're going to get this opened up. I also got a mount for that. The mount is through a different company called Tusk. Hopefully that'll mount right on the same bar as our spare tire, and we'll get this mounted up and then show you how it looks. All right, we got that unboxed. So here is the scissor jack. I've got to open it up so I can get this wrench out. It came with a couple things that are sandwiched in there, so I got to open that up and get that out. 2,000 pound capacity, 20-inch lift. It's got the setup on the top, the 4-way swivel, so that will work on the cage underneath the UTV, and then a wide base here, so it'll be supported in sand and dirt and those kind of things. And then I got this mount from Tusk, so we'll mount that on using the clamp, and then we'll check it all out and see how it works. So as things go, this is what I figured out. The Tusk mount, which looks like a great mount, will not work with the AGM scissor jack. Well, AGM makes their own mount, of course, which goes with this base. So I'll order that. We'll get that here, and then we'll get that put on the Teryx. After waiting, we did get the new scissor jack mount kit from AGM. And inside here, we've got the correct mount plate, which mounts to the bottom of the scissor jack and mounts on the crossbar on their Teryx. We will go ahead and get that mounted up here is the plan. Coda and I will see you in a minute. What do you think, Coda? No answer. With Coda's supervision there, got the AGM scissor jack mount put on. So this is the mounting plate, bolts to the bar. This is the Super ATV spare tire mount. I put it here for now. Not sure I'll end up keeping it there, but for now, that's where I've got it. It secures with this strap that goes over the top. That's the only weak thing I feel like on this mount, simply because if this pops open, is this jack gonna fall off? It is held in here with, let me see if I can zoom in if you can see that. There are the 2 pins. There's one on that side. There's one on the other side identical to that. So it holds it that way, and then the strap holds it down and secure. But I'm afraid if that undoes, maybe while we're riding, bouncing around, that could be an issue. The other thing is there's no way to lock and secure it. So I may have to think through that a little bit and see, because people are so trustworthy nowadays, you know, in the parking lots and that. I think out on the trail, I'm not worried, but parking lots, that may be an issue. Anyways, another project done. We're getting closer and closer to being ready for our rides this spring. Please share this channel, like and subscribe. It helps my channel grow and helps us get better and better. All right. Hey, thanks. We'll see ya.